5 work-from-home jobs growing in popularity in 2020. You have within you right now everything you need to deal with whatever the world can throw at you. Brian Tracy. As technology and societal changes continue to drive rapid evolution in the world's job market, working remotely is something that is dramatically growing in popularity. In fact, remote work has grown a staggering 91% over the past 10 years. And clearly now, more than ever, this is the trend that is going to stay. In many ways, this trend is great for businesses and employees alike, allowing companies to reduce their overhead while also providing employees with more flexibility and freedom. If you would like to embark on a career that will provide you with the option to work from home, here are 5 work-from-home jobs that are growing in popularity in 2020. Number 1. Administrative and customer service. More and more, companies that employ customer service and administrative professionals are choosing to hire remote employees as opposed to employees that work in-house. Since these roles entail communication that is conducted almost entirely via phone and email, they are a natural fit for remote work. Helping a customer through a problem over the phone or responding to an administrative issue via email are tasks that can be conducted from the comfort of one's own home just as easily as they can be conducted from an office. And increasingly, more companies are turning to the remote workforce to fill these important roles. Number 2. Sales representative. Like customer service representatives, the majority of a sales representative's workday consists of communicating with customers over the phone. Rather than building in-house call centers, more and more companies that employ teams of sales representatives are sending this workforce home to communicate with customers using their own phones. If you have a knack for salesmanship and would like to embark on a career that is certainly trending towards becoming a job that is primarily conducted remotely, then working as a sales representative is a great option to consider. Number 3. Project managers. Project managers are professionals who are tasked with overseeing company projects and performing responsibilities such as tracking deadlines, delegating duties, and ensuring that all of a project's deliverables are turned in on time. While this may not sound like a role that lends itself to working from home at first glance, online project management platforms like Asana or Bootcamp have made it incredibly easy for a project manager to perform all of their important tasks while working remotely. Given that many of the employees that a project manager might be tasked with overseeing will be working remotely at any given company anyway, project management is a good fit for remote work. Number 4. Copywriters. Companies that want to build and maintain an effective online footprint that will allow them to attract as many potential customers as possible to their website need one thing above all else: high-quality content. Over the years, Google has adjusted their search engine algorithm to increasingly favor websites that publish large amounts of well-written, valuable content on a regular basis, meaning that having lots of quality content to display has become the key to appearing higher and higher in the results of any given search. Since writing and turning in content is solitary work that requires only a word processor and internet connection, copywriters were among the first employees to transition to remote work. Today, it is much more common for a company to hire a freelance copywriter, or at least employ a copywriter that works remotely, than it is for a company to hire a team of full-time in-house copywriters. If you are a talented wordsmith, then working either as a freelance copywriter or a full-time copywriter that is employed remotely are both promising career options to explore. And finally, number 5, consultants. The term consultant is a broad-ranging term that can apply to a wide range of focuses and industries, from marketing consultants to legal consultants and beyond. Many companies are willing to pay good money for advice from a professional outside eye. In some cases, a consultant may be required to meet in person with administrators and executives who are paying them for their services. In many other cases, though, a consultant's work can be conducted entirely remotely using just tools like video conferencing, phone, and email. If you have a high level of experience in just about any professional area, whether it be sales, human resources, marketing, or anything in between, then there is a good chance that you might be able to find companies that will pay you nicely for your expertise. If that expertise is something that you are able to share remotely just as effective as you could in person, then you could carve out a very lucrative career as a work-from-home consultant. Now, we'd love to hear from you, so our question today is this: have you considered switching to a work-from-home career? Leave a comment below and Brian will follow up with you. Thanks for watching, and remember, as Brian says, if you want to change your future, take action and take action now.
If you enjoyed this video and you feel it was valuable, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to click the button on the screen for a free gift. Thanks again for watching.